stand before you, humbled as the pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila confers upon me the degree of Doctor of Laws honoris causa.
Yun, tuwan-tuwa siya. Humbled daw siya. Tanga, hambog. I stand before you. Wow, putya na, ang lakas si Martin Luther King yorn. Sabi ko kasi, tawan-tawa talaga ako dito. Tawan-tawa ako dito. Kung si Pangulong Duterte, walang ginanyan yan. Halimbawa, pupunta si Pangulong Duterte dyan, tapos gagawaran siya ng ganyan. Sabi ni Pangulong Duterte, spare me from the arte of like that. Mag-speech na lang ako dito, magbigay na lang ako ng speech sa mga estudyante. Huwag na akong lagyan ng mga ganyan. Alam ko may tinanggap na ganyan si Pangulong Duterte, pero sa San Beda. Sa San Beda. Kasi alma mater niya yun. Pero putang ina niyan, hindi ka man hindi mo nga alam kung saan yan eh. Bongbong Marcos, kung hindi ka pa naging presidente, baka hindi ka pa nakapasok sa eskwelahan na yan. Tapos po siya, I stand before you, humbled. Siyang inakala mo, nag-aral ng mabuti yung walang pinag-aralan eh.
Its highest honorary degree. I receive this honor with gratitude, mindful of the responsibility that comes with it.
Ito, may responsibilidad pa. Ang lupit. May responsibilidad pa daw yung kanyang pagiging doctor of law. Ano responsibilidad mo dyan, Bongbong? Puta, maglinis ng kubeta? Ang lupit. May speech pa siyang pinrepair. Saan ka pa?
This recognition affirms a principle that my administration shares with the PLM, that education must remain a pathway to opportunity, a catalyst for progress, and a cornerstone of nation building. The theme of PLM's 58th
Joy Libaw. Salamat sa inyo sa Japan, ha? Hello, Boss Dada. Saan papunta ang bansang Pilipinas? Ito, driver? Ito, driver? Putsang ina, imbis paabante tayo, patras takbo niyan. Sabangin tayo, sa bangin tayo pupunta. Sabi nga nito, Doctor of Law. Oo, Doctor of Law IQ. Pwede, ikaw ang cum laude ron. Pero Doctor of Law, batas, gago, wala kang alam sa batas eh.
Commencement exercises is especially fitting. Mga makabagong pantas taglay ang karunungan tungo sa kadakilaan at kaunlaran. It captures the purpose of education, to transform knowledge into wisdom, wisdom into excellency, and progress and service. And that, more than any degree or title bestowed today, is the standard to which I hold myself. For generations, PLM has opened opportunities for young Filipinos whose dreams should never be limited by their circumstances in life. PLM also...
Tatawa na ng mga estudyante. Takinan ito, dami sinasabi, dami esab. Dami ebas, putang ina, malamig na yung pansit sa bahay. Buwaba ka na dyan, putang ina, makaakyat na kami. Yung pansit tsaka yung lumpia, malamig na. Walang hiya ka.
holds a special place in our family, as the First Lady once taught at its College of Law. And through her years here, we became knowledgeable of the first-hand commitment of this university in shaping the future generations of Filipino professionals. Its history stands as proof that talent is universal and potential is found everywhere. I therefore accept this recognition with a renewed commitment to uphold the values that this university has long championed: karunungan, kaunlaran, kadakilaan, wisdom, progress, and greatness. These ideals remind us that knowledge and wisdom must ultimately lead to the progress of our...
Tuloy yung mga mukha ng estudyante. Ano yung estudyante? Tainan to. Kapal na mukha mo. Tainan yan. Meron ka, puta yung core values namin, inangkin mo pa. Ikaw ang magtataguyod, hayop ka. Hindi mo nga mataguyod yung Pilipinas, putang ina, puro baha. Noong nakaraan may pasok kami, tangina, hanggang bewang yung baha. Nagka-UTI yung mga kaklase ko. Dahil pinasok ng tubig baha yung mga pichiching nila, hayop ka dahil sa pagnanakaw ninyo. Tapos tangina ngayon. Nag-i-speech ka pang dugyot ka.
people. The promise of a tertiary education and training still does not reach every Filipino household equally. And thus we remain committed
Para lang siya, sir, Rush. Na may tama na naman yata to. Uminom ka, boss.
to the full and effective implementation of the universal access to quality tertiary education. We continue to expand higher education opportunities and government financial assistance. We are ensuring that more students from disadvantaged and vulnerable sectors receive support through free college education and technical vocation education and training programs. But access must mean more than entering a university. It must mean providing our students, regardless of circumstance, the support needed to complete their education and to realize the promise that a college degree can bring.
A promise that a college degree can bring. Gago. Wala kang college degree.